In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable NSFW on Character.AI. Before we dive in, here's the key takeaway. Character.AI does not offer an NSFW mode, and the platform's rules prohibit explicit sexual content. I'll walk you through what you can do instead, how to find the official site, and how to tailor your experience within the allowed guidelines. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Character.AI. From the search results, click the official Character.AI website to go directly to the platform. This is the safest way to make sure you're on the correct site and working with the current features. Once you're on Character.AI, it's important to understand the platform's purpose and boundaries. Character.AI is designed for creative, conversational experiences. There isn't a switch or setting to enable graphic or sexually explicit interactions. The terms of service and community guidelines clearly prohibit explicit sexual content. These rules aren't arbitrary. They exist to keep the platform safe, lawful, and accessible to a broad audience. Why is there no NSFW mode? Platforms that operate globally have to comply with laws in many regions, protect minors and vulnerable users, and maintain an environment suitable for many types of conversations. Because of that, requests to enable NSFW content or bypass filters aren't supported and won't be provided here. Staying within policy is the best way to enjoy the service without risking account issues. Here's what you can do inside the platform. Where available, adjust content preferences to shape the experience in permitted ways. You can set the overall tone, like friendly or professional, choose a conversational style that fits your goals, and turn on topic boundaries, such as avoiding politics or violence. These settings guide the conversation, but they are not a way to enable NSFW content. They simply help tailor allowed categories to your comfort level. Also, take a moment to review the current terms of service and community guidelines. They explain exactly what content is permitted and what behavior could lead to restrictions. The official documentation is the authoritative source and may be updated over time, so checking it regularly helps you stay informed. To wrap up, there is no NSFW mode on Character.AI. However, you can still personalize your experience within the rules by adjusting tone and style and by respecting topic limits. Keep prompts clear, creative, and respectful, and consult the platform's policies if you're unsure about a topic. That approach ensures a smooth, enjoyable experience without running into moderation barriers.